Hi guys, I Love Natural Hair aka Michelle, and in today's video I will be unboxing my August Boxycharm. So this is the card. The card says Boxycharm, go all out. So I have 5 items in this box, and the first one is Volution Beauty Hibiscus Unspotted Correcting Oil. This is the bottle. So this oil is good for correction, is for your eyes. And so it says to apply 2 to 3 drops on your face and your neck. And it really does smell like hibiscus oil. It's, you know the flower hibiscus? Yeah, it really smells like that. And so it's unspotted correcting oil. It says a daily treatment oil with hibiscus flowers and lockery root to minimize the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. So it minimizes the appearance of dark spots and discoloration on your face and under your eyes. And it soothes and it nourishes your face. And the price for this is $49. And the next one is Iconic London Ultimate Bronzer Powder. So this is the box. So this is the Ionic London bronzer, and this is what the packages look like. It's pretty. I like the packaging. It's very pretty. And guys, I guess it fell and I broke it. So that's what it looks like. It's very ashy. I don't know about this bronzer. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really ashy. I don't know if I'm going to be using that. So this bronzer is good for to define and sculpt your face, and you could create an all over sun-kissed warmth with it too. And the price for this is $35. And the next one is Clean Skin Club, and it's Pineapple Glow Mist. So this is it looks like the color pineapple, and it does smell like pineapple. This is cute. I like the packaging, and it says to put it on clean face. You should put it on your clean face, and you should spray it on your face before you put on your makeup or anything, or your oils or your moisturizer. And it's a mist. It's a pineapple glow mist. It says hyaluronic and acid peptides. And the price for this is $38. And the next one is Amish Skincare Starry Collagen Gel iPads. So this is the packaging of the iPad. And it says it's an anti-aging and it's anti-wrinkle, and it reduces dark circles under your eyes. So there's 5 pairs in the packet, and I'll show you what they look like. I take one out. And it has little glitter on it. This is what it looks like. So it says that you should cleanse your face before you put them on. And the price for this is $32. And last but not least is the Rockin' Cosmetic All Night Bender. So this is what it looks like. It's a mascara. It's pretty packaging. Let's put it this way. And this says that, so it has a fine brush to it, and it says that this is what it looks like, and it gets every lash when you put it on. It gets every single lash. It doesn't miss any lashes at all. And so the price for this is $29. So that's the end of my Boxycharm, guys, for August. And let me know if you like any of these products, if you have used any of these in August. So bye, Charmers, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.